As promised, here's a couple of exciting finds we made while soaking a batch of old stamps. This 1868 2-cent Jackson E-Grill, U.S. number 87, has a Scott value of $200 in used condition. These two 1893 4-cent Columbians, U.S. number 233, have a Scott value of $55 each in unused condition. This 1857 1-cent Franklin Blue, U.S. number 24, has a Scott value of $40 in used condition. These 1887 3-cent Washington Vermilion stamps, U.S. number 214, have a Scott value of $60 in unused condition for an attached pair. These stamps already looked good on paper, but they look even better now that they've been soaked. If you've been waiting to soak some of your old stamps, now's the time to do it. Check out part 1 of our 2-part stamp soaking series for tips. And as always, happy collecting.